The struggle you're in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. Don't give up.
Every day is a blessing, whether it feels that way or not. Find it and enjoy that moment with a purpose.
You just saw an AI-generated short. No camera, no editing, no timeline, just a single text prompt. And 1 minute later, you've got a finished video. That's what Google's Veo3 AI just made possible, and I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing. To generate this video, I used Google's Gemini with the Veo3 integration. Just open Gemini, select video, type your prompt, and hit enter. It connects directly with Veo3 and creates high-quality videos in seconds.
The struggle you're in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. Don't give up.
For this video, my prompt was a vlog-style video of Bigfoot walking through the forest, filmed on a phone. You'll find the exact prompt I used in the video description below. Also, if you want to generate your own Veo3 prompts super easily, just head over to this website. Select Veo3, choose a layout, type in your topic, then click Enhance Prompt. And boom, your custom prompt is ready to go. The link to this prompt generator is also in the description. Once your AI-generated video is ready, download it and open it in CapCut. From there, change the aspect ratio to 9:16. That's the vertical format YouTube Shorts use. You can crop it, trim a few seconds, add subtitles, or just leave it clean, your choice. After that, export it in 1080 resolution for best quality. And that's it. You just made a fully AI-generated YouTube short video in under 2 minutes. No camera, no complex editing, just your idea and a single prompt. If this helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials like this. Drop your favorite prompt idea in the comments. I might feature it in the next one.